up, y'all? Today we about to get Greg an exhaust on his car. 180, they said. We got a little we got a quote. They said 180 for resonator and muffler delete for his car. Might get mine done too. Maybe, I don't know. We're gonna figure out. That'd be crazy because with the turbo sound, it'll come out through the exhaust so much more. It doesn't sound bad. Like a rice rocket. I'm not going for that. So if you think this is a rice video, no. I'm not a ricer, trust me. I hate ricers. My dream car is a Hellcat. Not this version, but a Hellcat. I'll see y'all there. So, I decided to get an exhaust. After I heard his, I decided to get mine done. Don't know how much it's gonna cost yet, but there it is. That's the tip right there. And I decided to do it. Eventually wanted to do it anyways. Do some upgrades. What the hell? Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna go get some food right now. I'm hangry. The car sounds good. I'm happy with it. If you guys need, so if you guys need any type of exhaust shop,
just go to him. He'll hook you up.
I'm rolling with no music, no nothing.
Yeah.
And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for all the videos we're gonna make with these cars and the journey. Stay tuned. And yeah, hit that subscribe button and like and share with your friends. Bye.